In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Chrome browser history and cookies. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure you're on the main browser window so you can easily access the menu and settings options. This process is useful if you want to free up a little space, remove traces of websites you've visited, or fix certain browsing issues caused by old cookies and cached data. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find several options for managing your browser. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can control privacy, security, appearance, and other browser preferences. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools related to your browsing activity and how Chrome handles your data. Inside this area, look for the option called Delete Browsing Data and click it. A pop-up window will appear with different types of data you can remove from your browser. At this point, take a moment to review the boxes that are selected. If you only want to clear your browser history and cookies, uncheck any other items that you do not want to delete. This is important because there's some options like cached images and files, saved passwords, or autofill form data may affect your browsing experience if removed. Leaving only the items you want to delete helps you stay in control of what gets erased. Also, pay attention to the time range at the top of the window if it appears. Depending on your goal, you may want to remove data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Choosing the right range can help you clear only recent activity instead of wiping everything. Once you've unchecked the items you don't want to remove and confirmed that the correct options are selected, click Delete. Chrome will begin clearing the chosen browsing data. This may take a few seconds, depending on how much information is stored in the browser. After that, you're done. Your browsing history and cookies will be cleared based on the options you selected. Keep in mind that deleting cookies may sign you out of some websites, so if that happens, you'll simply need to log back in. And that's how to clear Chrome browser history and cookies.